This is maybe the last video in my Combined Means mini-series. Let's have a look at how to do quite a tricky question. So we've got 25 students in Year 10 and 30 students in Year 11. They've both sat the same science exam. The mean for the Year 10 students is 67.8. The mean for all of the students is 72.0. We want to find the Year 11 mean. So we always set up our method the same way, with a very wiggly number line. Next step is thinking which end is Year 10, which end is Year 11. And if you have a look, Year 10, 67.8, they've done a bit worse than the whole average. So we can put here Year 10, 67.8. They're at the low end. That means Year 11 have to be up at this end. We don't know their average, but we do know the mean for all of the students is 72. So we can put this in the middle somewhere, 72.0. We always know that's true, don't we? The combined mean is between the means of the two groups. And where exactly that mean goes depends on the ratio of the two groups. So that's our next job. There's 25 students in Year 10. So we can imagine it's pulling down the force of 25. There's 30 students in Year 11. So again, we imagine pulling down the force of 30 on this side. Thinking about their ratios. So we'll say here, Year 10 to Year 11 has a ratio of 25 to 30. That simplifies as 5 to 6. Because the forces are in the ratio of 5 to 6, the distances must be in the inverse ratio. So the distances must be in the ratio of 6 to 5. Let's mark these on our seesaw diagram. So 6 to 5 is going to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. So this was 6 parts. On this side, there's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to imagine all of these bars are of equal size. Next step then, this is maybe a bit more tricky in this example, because here look, we've got from 67.8 to 72. So 67.8 to 72, that's a distance of 4.2. This distance here. And that was 6 parts of our ratio. So 4.2 divided by 6 is 0.7. So I'm just going to fill this in one box. But each of our blocks of our ratio should be 0.7. On the other side then, of the pivot point, we have exactly the same scenario. So we have 0.7, 0.7, 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. That means with our 5 altogether boxes, we've got 3.5 on the other side of the pivot. So 3.5 over here. And thinking about the numbers that we know then, we've got 72, 3.5, that means the Year 11 average had to be 75.5 in order for this to